10.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Now we're going to the national park and we're here on along the road. See you.
We're coming now.
We're coming. Say hi. So guys, we're here sa entrance going to the waterfalls. Ayan guys, there is friends are paying for the entrance. Yes. The entrance is 30 baht.
There's no phone.
Hi guys, now we're here. Saan ba tayo? We're here at SAMLAN waterfall, but according to the guide, there's no falls here. It's dry already.
May El Nino.
So guys, ngayon aakyat kami mamaya doon. Aakyat kami doon, titignan namin kung ano, kung kumusta ng aming lupain. So, see you guys in a while. So guys, we're now going there. We're going to climb there in the mountain with no water. Some of my friends are there. They're taking pictures.
Okay.
So, tingnan natin. Uy, padaanin mo muna sila.
It's just like we're in the Philippines.
Grabe. Marinig mo lang ingay ng mga birds. So guys, ang ingay ng mga kasamahan ko nandun sa likod. They're very noisy. I don't know what's happening to them. It's just like they're taking some pictures and hindi nila inaano yung ano. Ang kapaligiran. Grabe guys. Dito kami sa kagubatan. I'm here in the kagubatan. So ayan guys. Ayan. Ayun sila sa likod. Kaso, ayun sila. Paano din sila? Pauwi na sila galing sa kanilang ano, galing doon sa waterfall. Pero according to the guard, wala na daw ano, wala daw tubig ngayon. Dry na. Nag-dry. Kasi ano na daw. Tag-init. Kaya yan si. Say hi. What can you say about this place?
Creepy.
It's a bit creepy, right? Kanino ba tong family place na ito? So guys, nandito kami sa kagubatan. It's just like a survivor Thailand. Grabe guys. Take a look. Ang horror. Nandito si ano. Sino ba yun? Si Annabelle ba yun? Hindi. Si So. Sa gani. So ano na ni? So
Wrong turn.
wrong turn gali.
Pinaka-black sa jeans, diba? Ikaw, madam, dari ka dapit sa front, madam, si sa gitna, si Grace sa gitna.
Now guys, we're in the middle of the mountain and they're going to take some photos. And it's so crazy. It's a bit faster. Let's take a look over there. It's just like we're finding some treasures here. We're going to reach sa destination. Let's see the dry waterfall. Yeah, it's hangay, dry. There's no water in the fall. So guys, ayan. Parang, ay, naku. Nare-remember ko tuloy yung ano ko. Yung, grabe, mabato-bato guys. Nare-remember ko tuloy yung nagano kami ng tourism marketing. Ay, hindi pala tourism marketing, yung sa tourism namin, development ba yun? Ano ba yung development? At sa tourism development namin, nagano kami ng isang place, tapos sa bundok siya, isang waterfalls din, kaso malayo siya sa city. At ang nakakapagod. Kaya, ayan guys. Ayun yung PA ko, say hi. So, guys. Ito na guys yung destination guys. Dito na kami. Pero ayun, before, ang sa amin is ano, medyo mahirap yun kasi pasaka, sasaka ka pa, tsaka bababa, sa baba, aakyat ka pa ng mountain, tapos mabato-bato. Tapos madulas pa kasi it's a bit, watery, slippery pala. And here guys, dito, dyan, may water siya dyan nung una. But now, it's dry kasi wala na. Dahil sa global warming, na ano na siya. So guys, akyat tayo dito again. Kaya guys. Ang hirap mabato. So guys, that is the waterfalls, but now wala siyang water. And guys, doon ang way going up and there. So, let's go up.
Ano ni? Press?
Dalhin mo.
No water.
Set guys, come on. Come on. Come on. Ano yun? Anong tung teng teng? Nare-remember ko guys yung yung umakyat kami ng mountain and then we are yelling. Woo! And then you can hear some echo. Yeah. And ayun, maganda pa doon oh. Guys, now we're here. The mountain. And here guys, there's a water. But it's not falling. Ayan, guys. Parang nakakatakot guys. It's a bit creepy there guys. Nakakatakot. Parang ayoko nang magpunta doon. Hey! Dangog na.
Careful gani. Ready na ka, Dam? There's a few water here. Yala ka sa center. And there's also
Guys, grabe guys. I'm here in the cliff. Take a look.
we're like
It's a
30
bit
feet.
creepy. Scared. Guys, tatawid. Tatalong ba ako? Do I need to jump or not? If you want me to jump, just comment down below. And I will not jump.
Ayaw lagi diri pa.
Yeah, but... Sige! 1!
Dali lang.
Hey, sweet!
Hey!
Girls! Down...
Hoy! Don't worry.
Adjust mo. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang maliblib na lugar. At makikita natin kung ano ang mahiwagang ano dito sa lugar nito. Tignan natin. Tignan natin guys. Ano ang makikita natin dito? Okay guys. Guys. So dito kami ngayon sa ano pala guys? Sa NAMTOK. SAMLAN Waterfalls. So guys, if you want to come here, it's just easy to come here. All you have to do is to locate the province of Saraburi and the monkey temple. It's just near there. Near to Wat Phra Phutthachai in Saraburi. The monkey temple. So see you guys. Guys, tapos na kami doon sa mountain and now we're going to the lake there and we're going to sit there and eat our snacks. Ikaw? So hi guys, nandito ngayon kami sa may lake na and we're facing. So ang dami ng mga nakatent doon guys. Since it's a long week and may maraming tourista this place ngayon. As of now, there were about 131 tourists here na naka-stay in sa ano na ito, national park na ito. As you can see, relaxing place and it's a quiet place. Now it's very ano sa mga matatanda at those people who love quiet and peaceful place. If you want to relax guys, just come here in Saraburi and feel lang ang breeze ng water. So guys, at my back, as you can see, it's a mountain. Grabe mountain siya guys, ang ganda. And then the lake and here. Hindi naman siya masyadong kagandahan, pero ano lang siya, parang surrounded lang siya ng mountains here. So ayan. See you guys. Kain muna kami. Bye bye. Guys, snack time. Kain tayo guys. May binig si ako.
I like it.
So hi guys, pauwi na kami at uuwi na kami sa aming lugar. Tapos na. Bye bye guys. Hope to see you. See you guys. Bye bye.
My next vlog.
See you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet my channel, just subscribe it. But if you don't like to subscribe my channel, just leave it. But just like it. So bye bye guys and don't forget to share and subscribe.